So hi, I'm Erez from Climate Crop, and the problem we are trying to solve is not unique for us, but everybody is trying to solve it. In 2015, there will be 10 million people in the world. Land degradation is accelerating, and climate change is getting worse. So to mitigate this problem, we're increasing crops yield, growth, and resilience by maximizing land use and reducing the need for new land and inputs like water and fertilizers. Our technology is by simple modification of just one gene in the plant, we're reducing the negative regulation from the starch synthesis process, and by this improving photosynthesis and yield. Because our gene exists in almost all the vascular plants, we can do almost everything: crops, flowers, trees, you name it, and even 10% increase in yield can be translated to a huge profit. We can also see our impact in industry, where we can do biofuel, wood, fiber, and paper, food for human food, animal food, feed, vertical farming, and of course, climate. So far, we tested our technology on 3 crops. So in sorghum and canola, we saw 24 and 41 percentage increase in yield. In potatoes, we saw 19% increase in yield. And not only that, we saw that our crops are resilient to abiotic stress as we grow the potato out of season in the summer, and we got 27% more survival and 40% more yield. From the carbon perspective, so 2 main points we can have an impact. One is the acceleration of growth of trees to store more carbon and fast. And if just we take, for example, the Trillion Trees initiative, so if we can just by 10% improve the growth of tree, we can absorb more 1 gigaton of carbon more. And the second point is increase the yield with the same resources, and by this reduce the carbon footprint. And we can take a potato for an example. We can look at it at specific factors like nitrogen, how much nitrogen is needed for one growth of for 1 hectare of potato for all season. And because we are almost doubling the yield, the net impact worldwide, which is 19 million hectares, we are saving almost 7.5 megatons of carbon. We can also look at it more broadly at the potato footprint. And in this case, the net impact worldwide will be 18 megaton of carbon. This, of course, can be translated to profit as almost $1 billion in carbon credit. This is our team, and thank you for listening.